Now student, here we will see the second program in Python, and here we will input length and breadth of a rectangle and we will calculate the area. Fine. So as we did last time, we have to go to a new file to create the program. So this is a text file. Let open again. So this is a text file. Okay, so this file is open. So let me save this file at first. As I told, we need to save, so I am making it program2.py. Fine students. Okay, then let's write the codings. So first I have to take length. So for that I am taking the variable, suppose len, len. Then okay, let's write the question at first. So hash, I have to write hash, write a Python program to input what, length and breadth of a rectangle. Fine. And calculate, let make it to the next line, and calculate, because it won't be visible else, and calculate its area. Okay, so the comment I wrote in 2 line, that is with hash symbol. Okay, len equal to, so as the length we need in float, so we have to write float, then input enter to be within double quote, enter length of the rectangle. You can write also, I am writing simply length, enter length. Fine. Then same way, just for breadth we are taking a bre, breadth, that is float. So here I am taking enter breadth b. Okay, so length and breadth, 2 things you have to input. See, len is a keyword students here, so lent I am doing, suppose lent or le, let take le for length and br for breadth. Fine, len is a keyword, later on we will learn, that's why it was showing in color. Okay, thereafter now area to be finded out. So area equal to, area I took as a area, the variable length multiplied by br, that is breadth. Fine, it is done. Now let me print entire thing, length also I want to print, breadth also I want to print, as well as the result I want to print. So how I will do, you see, print. Okay, so rectangle specification means what you entered, rectangle specifications. Okay, what the specification of the rectangle, that you have to print first. So print, what you have to print, length. Okay, length is what, what variable we use for length, na le, so we print le. Fine students. Now thereafter I am just copying and pasting for what, now for breadth. Breadth, the variable is what, br, so br we wrote. Fine students. Now we have to print area, so here I am writing area, the variable is area itself. So this is what the coding is done. Now let me save finally and running the module. Now suppose the length of the rectangle I am giving 12.3 and breadth of the rectangle I am giving 20.2. so see, the specification is length is what, breadth is what, and the area is what, it is showing all together. Fine students, understood? Now let me go back to the program and do little modification there. What? Now suppose I wrote them in 2 lines. I wrote them in 2 different lines. So I am getting the result in 2 different lines. Fine. But I want to print them, suppose in 1 line. I want to print them. I wrote in program in 2 different lines, but I want to print them in 1 line. So what you need to do, after completion of the first print statement, you have to use your end equal to, it is a keyword students, and you have to give the blank code there. Fine. So what is happening, you check first, thereafter I will explain you what is happening. You see first, length I specified, I am giving roughly, so check length and breadth all the both. Here you check, it is printing in two different line, here it is printing in one line, and there is no gap here. So let produce a gap there. So let go to the program is minimized and kept here, you give a gap here. Fine, save it and run the module again. Control S we can use for saving the program. So now I'm giving the value. Okay, check, there is a gap. Understood here the program, students? Not only the program we did, but also we learn if we wish to print the statements in same line. Okay, we are using many different print statement, but we want to print them in same line, so we can use and equal to symbol. And equal to will print in the previous line, it won't go to the next line. The content what you wrote, the print statement what you wrote, afterwards it will be printed in same line. Okay, you can see the output so that you can easily understand the concept. Okay, fine, students, in this program